Shubor nakaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Menteri Bakmi Ekatanat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary uba AL Hek hakasni balang ula pente bola deb banchim kya bat Ïakren baka Sorkar Assam ban ailat bat pelai ya kejingwara igi masi shapo Meghalaya uba Hek ula ong bakila deb banchim kya hakabayade bat gani ka kambat ka Sorkar Assam bat nak liang Jong ula deb ru ban yakendu yo Menteri Ekatanat Animal Husbandry ka Assam hanong ba Guwahati ula kren syau bakini ki masi gibuan Meghalaya kidai hibawan ning ba ka Surokbah National Highway. Kani ka jingsham kya jong menteri ka Sorkar jila kalalong hadian ba kinong Hima na po ka Meghalaya dangshen kila syabat no ha Assam namar ka jingshalan niwan rai ki masi. Ubahek uloong ba ka Sorkar Assam kala khang banshalan ni ki masi ha po ka jila Meghalaya handai kinong jongi kila pendan kam da ka Surokbah National Highway am de ki Surok jong ka jila. Ka Surokbah ni National Highway kadai na ka benta jong Baroh wat hapo Meghalaya ka Surokbah kam dei satya ka Surok jong ka jila. Bat kumta amla satya ban ong ba kimla ban ra nikit yekini ba dei tang lada kaladon ka jingkhang ka Surokbah te kala ban dong ni mi da kumwei. Nei kam don satya kum kata bat kumta amla ban khang habaya ding ba ki Surokbah.
This is the Home Department. They have to look after this kind of situations, the law and order. It's the duty of our government, of course, but the DGP is there, the SP of Tura is there, the DC is there. These are people to look after the administration and at the same time also the law and order problem.
They are not giving a proper clarity on the matter.
Different opinion. We cannot say anything, but that is not is happening only. It's happening everywhere also. So recently, even our headmaster got beaten up at home. So recently, so that is stray incident has happened everywhere.
Don't you think this should be independent court?
Yeah.
Independent inquiry.
In any issue like this, it has to be an inquiry. Any kind of inquiry, there has to be inquiry to find the fact of the issues. We have to have faith on the law-abiding citizens, and also we have to have faith on the law executing, like police also. We have to have faith on them also. No, they are doing their duty. See, until unless you have to the core of the issue, get the fact, then only we'll be able to tell you. Now we don't know what is going on, what is the true issue. So we just saw only in the newspaper and the social media, this thing is happening.
But we have seen that several accused who were arrested by the police, there were political tags attached to their names like BJP, TMC.
See,
most of these are BJP and TMC.
This kind of anything happen, we cannot blame any particular political party nor organizations. This kind of anti-social elements you will find in everywhere. How you blame anybody? You cannot blame because he is the son of so and so, or he is the daughter of so and so. This kind of anti-social element has always happened everywhere. Cannot be blamed one side.
Since police has, in fact, they have put political affiliation tag behind each and every name in. So, will you write from the being the senior legislator?
Tomorrow, anything happen with anybody from the different political party, and you just blame the because this is because of the political party only doing this, or the instruction given by the political party? No, that is under the individual capacity they are doing. Anti-social element is not been on the blame of the organizations.
But see, your vice president has been named in that, right?
Yeah.
He may be president, he may be vice president. When he is arrested, we cannot blame the political party. It is in his individual capacity. We have the party is there. We have our president. We have our general secretary. We have our vice president. They know how to do their role effectively. Cannot be blame any particular political organization or any organization. How we can blame like that? You can blame or do by some Alexander Heck, maybe he should be blamed. Not blamed by BJP, because I am from the BJP. if the Alexander Haig did anything wrong or antisocial thing, you should blame Master A.L. Haig has been arrested because he has done this kind of antisocial elements. Why blame because BJP? I don't agree with this. There's nowhere to be politically attacked anywhere of the done by somebody on this kind of incidents.
How do you define this incident then?
Party has not sent them to do it. How? Party sent them. I'm asking you this question. Did the TMC Mamata Banerjee send them to do all this kind of thing? Did the JP Nadda from BJP send them to do all kind of thing? Did the Korrat Sama for NPP send all this thing because he's a president? He said to do all kind of this thing. Who will send? Nobody will send. Why you blame the party? Tell me.
Your government is doing. That is
But
The government.
police is
Chief
not-
Minister has
You can ask them. Yeah, why you ask me that question?
Chief
Those who are doing, you ask them. The cattle, specifically when you're asking about a cattle, of course, Assam, they are banning for transportation of cattle. But we are saying the Assam government, we are using the national highway, not the state road. A national highway belong to everybody's the roads. It's not belong to the state. Even in Meghalaya also, the national highway is not a state road. There we cannot say that you cannot carry this in the national highway. It is only when the national highway ban, then only it is the different story altogether.
But like, are you going to take up the matter? with Assam?
Already took up. I've met the Honorable CM also. I met the Honorable Animal Husbandry Minister also in Guwahati. I spoke to them. He said we are not using this is coming from the national highway. We are allowed to transport on the health issue only. Our veterinary department, they have only the notification to check the health of the animals, of the livestock. Transportations and all are doing, suppose they are bringing from Haryana, but they should have the certificate, health certificate of that animals coming to Meghalaya for consumption. You got my point, no? This is immediately, even from the Food Safety Commissioner, the Office of the Food Safety, and also with the Fishery Department, immediately they went to the market, do the testing, random testing. They are doing the all kind of testing to ensure that the health hazard or the health problem will not be faced by the people who are consuming that kind of eatable habits.
But like some laboratories were supposed to be constructed in Yodo and all.
See now, you know, not now, because we have in Pastures Institute during the COVID, we have the laboratory there to test all the foods.